So, if you have one of these, then you need one of those. And trust me, what are you doing? And trust me, we have a few of this, and we have 4 cats. This one is Minnie, by the way, our senior one. And I gotta tell you, if you have multiple cats, then this one, I think it will be phenomenal to have. Just not only because it can be used for multiple cats. One thing that I'm gonna tell you, we have 4 cats, as I was just telling you before. 2 of them are male ones, and they're like 20-pound cats. They're big. They can fit in here. But if they're more than 20-something pounds, I would say probably, it says 30, so I think it's good up to 30 pounds, but just like think about that before you get it, because if you have a really, I'm talking about like a big cat, yeah, you may want to think about that. But for many other cats, this one will be good. It comes with, yeah, this one is a deodorizer that comes with the actual package. By the way, I don't think I mentioned this, but this brand sent this to me for this video. It comes with a pack of 20 bags that you're gonna use. So remember, I'm gonna show you as well as when that one goes. And it comes with everything you need to install this and the quick start guide to install it with the app, which I'm gonna be showing just a little bit. The thing I wanna tell you about that, installing this in the app, it was one of the easiest one, if maybe not the easiest one to actually install with an app. Okay, I do appreciate a few things. They included a litter mat, so when they're stepping out of the actual robot, everything is kind of like stay right here, and you can clean this and not an entire mess everywhere. This is what I was just showing you before. And by the way, this, I do like that has a phenomenal open area. The ones that I tried before, they were good. Many of them were good, but this is something that was our concern. Like something I want to say like smaller. And this way, our bigger cats can actually go inside as well and have a full view of everything, you know? And we're gonna show you how it's gonna work as well. So take a closer look at the app. You have right here the auto clean. You have in the schedule as well. You can set it up and not disturb it. And also this one will turn off the lights. So if you have this one in your bedroom, for example, will turn off the lights as well. You can also have the status indicator, which depending on the lights that you see, you can see the instruction manual, how that one's gonna work. And yes, you also have a child lock. Also, if you add your cats right here, based on the weight and based on how many times they use it, you can track your cats as well, which I think that is actually really cool. But we're gonna test a little bit of the auto clean so you can see it in action. Okay, so we set up a little bit of a fake number 1. This can be good for number 1s, number 2. Remember, you can use the app, but now we're gonna set up an auto clean. You also have the leveling right here as well. If you do the leveling, this will kind of like, it's not gonna shake, but it's gonna do a little bit of a leveling. So it's flat, you know, it's called flattering actually, not leveling, but yeah, this is gonna work that way. So it's flat and it's not with kind of like, you know, so it's leveling up right now, or setting up the flat, let's call it properly. One more, and we're all set. And after this one, we're gonna do the auto clean. Okay, auto clean with fast forward, and then I'm gonna show you how to clean it. Okay, it's coming back all clean, and it's gonna do the level one more time. So we're gonna go on the back, and you can see how you're gonna actually do the waste management. Okay, this is how you're gonna clean it. This is where the waste management goes. You have this bag, which, okay, remember, you can just use the cutter, or you can just cut it yourself, but you can see how deep it is, and it will actually will hold more than this, of course. So with the deodorizer and this big bag, you can have waste here for, let's say, 1 or 2 days, but it depends on how many cats you have and how much you want to clean it. So remember, if you have one of this or multiple of this, you may need one or multiple of this. I like it, and yes, I will totally recommend it.